Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the device so removal is predictable. Make sure battery is above 20% and remove SIM and SD card to avoid interruptions. This reduces variables during boot. Once done, confirm you know the device PIN and Google account credentials because you may need them later. Now, power off fully, then power on normally. You are initiating a clean boot to test whether safe mode was triggered by a temporary app or system hiccup, not a persistent setting. If the phone boots and shows safe mode, you must identify the culprit app. You should go to Settings Apps and sort by recently installed. Uninstall any app installed right before the problem. Make sure to check Device Admin Apps and revoke admin rights before uninstalling. If normal boot still lands in safe mode, reboot holding volume down to force safe mode and inspect apps there. This isolates third-party apps from system apps, so you can remove the offending package safely. After uninstalling suspect apps, reboot normally and check that the safe mode label is gone. This confirms success. If the phone remains in safe mode, back up your data and perform a factory reset from settings because corrupted system data can force safe mode. Make sure you have Google credentials to restore afterward. If a factory reset is not possible, clear the cache partition from recovery mode. This can resolve persistent boots. If problems continue, contact Infinix support for hardware diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.